Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana, and I am done packaging all the meat. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like after it's all food saved. So, got the steaks, the Italian sausage, I've got two tiny pork roasts, and then tons and tons, packages and packages of pork chops. And then we have some rockfish, several packages of those, and then several packages of the tilapia, the ground beef, and the eye-round steaks, or eye-round roasts, sorry. And there are 4 of them. There we go. So there you go. I'm gonna go out to the freezer and put everything away. These steaks look amazing. Really good. So thanks for watching, you guys. Lots of videos to come. Please subscribe, hit that bell. When you do that, you will be notified of all of my videos coming out as soon as I release them. And it also helps YouTube's algorithm to help share my channel and grow it. So I thank you to all my subscribers. We are going to be doing the 5,500 subscriber giveaway. You must be subscribed to enter and win. And I will see you guys soon.